Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we forget guys phone Wi-Fi network. Friends, you want to forget guys your phone Wi-Fi network. So how can you forget it today friends? I will show you. I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, suppose you have connected any Wi-Fi network and guys, this Wi-Fi network is not working good. So you should forget it. After forget guys, you can connect again and you can use this Wi-Fi network. So once you can see we will on our phone setting and click on your phone Wi-Fi setting. So which network guys you have connected guys you can check here, and once you want to forget, so we will press on forget guys Wi-Fi network, and guys you can see forget option and disconnect. So we will click on for disconnect. Oh sorry friend, forget option, and after forget guys you can see that the Wi-Fi network will not work in our phone. If we use the Wi-Fi network we will have to enter password again. So like that you will have to enter password again, then guys you can connect the Wi-Fi network, otherwise not. So we will turn off our Wi-Fi. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.